The 2014 Jeep Patriot. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.